Program to generate Fibonacci sequence for a specified number of terms. If you already know what is Fibonacci sequence, you can skip to the next part. Simply, it is a sequence of numbers generally starting from 0, 1, in which each term is the sum of the two preceding, that is previous terms. So the sequence will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 11 and so on. You can see 0 plus 1, the next term is 1. Then the two previous terms 1 plus 1 adds up to make 2. Then the two previous terms 1 plus 2 adds up to make 3. Then the two previous terms 2 plus 3 adds up to make 5 and so on. We will use iterative approach to solve this problem. At first we will declare two variables named first and second, and we will initialize them with 0 and 1, which are the first two numbers of the sequence. And then next we will declare a variable named next to store the sum of the two previous terms. Simple. Then we will take input from the user in the variable num. We'll ask input. Before going into the loop, we will print the first two terms, that is 0 and 1, first comma second. Now use for loop to print all the remaining terms, that is num minus 2 terms. In the for loop, we will initialize I with 1, and the termination condition we will give I is less than num minus 1 or less than equal to num minus 2. Both are same. Let's say num is equal to 5, then for the first condition less than num minus 1, it will be less than 4. So the condition will be true till I equal to 3, and for the second one less than equal to num minus 2, that is less than equal to 5 minus 2, that is less than equal to 3. So condition will be true till I equal to 3. Inside the loop, we will implement the Fibonacci sequence logic. We will store the sum of the values of variable first and variable second in the variable next. And then we will print the value of next on the screen. Now we need to do two important modifications. First, we will store the value of the variable second in the variable first, and then we will store the value of variable next in the variable second. That's it. Now let's run the code. It threw an error that there is no such variable named 2. So we'll change it to second. Fine. Now let's run it. Yeah, all fine. 5. Yes. Let us now decode the working logic. On the left hand side, we will write the code snippets for our reference. On the right hand side, we will write the name of all the variables and the values stored in each iteration. At first, the values are 0, 1 and nothing in variable next. Now in the first iteration, next will become first plus second, that is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The variable first will be assigned value of variable second, and the variable second will be assigned the value of variable next. Condition is still true, so it will enter into the loop, and again the same process. 1 plus 1 equal to 2, next will become 2, then first will become 1 and the second will become 2. Next iteration, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, modification. Again next iteration, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, modification. Again condition is true, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, modification, and finally the condition will become false. So it will come out of the loop and we will get the result.